Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to unblock someone on WingCap. So simply, if you don't have account on WingCap, just simply click here to log in with Google. Wait for a few seconds. So now here type your birthday. So after typing this, click on yeah, that's correct. Now here you can type your name. Just select your country, select your gender, click on next. Here you can add your profile picture. Just click on this plus button. You can take live photo, or I am going to upload from camera. So simply I am selecting the random photo here. Just I have selected this photo. Now click on done. Now click on next. So here, whom do you wanna meet? Just select. I am selecting the girls option here. Next. Now if I want to block this user, just click on these three dots button. Now here you can see new pop-up is appear. So here you can report a person and then block. So select the relevant option, click on red button, report and block user. Now click on OK. So in the similar way you can block another person, like I am blocking here. So this is very simple method.